welcome to another piano tutorial, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the Kraken theme from Pirates of the Caribbean. It goes like this. I'll give you a preview. Like that, okay? So of course you can improvise it and repeat it however many times you want, but let's just get right into it and I'll teach you how to play it. So, down here, you've got a D. We're going to go D, D, F, D, D, C, B, like that. So D, D, F, D, D, C, B, like that, okay? So D, D, go into the same thing but with both hands. What I did but this then I'll C, B, C, B, like that, okay? Like that. And then you're gonna go into which is the same thing you did just now, but with both hands playing. Times. And then you're going to go D octave at the bottom, or you can just do it, and then you're going to go B octaves, D octaves, by the way, this is the C, B, like that, and now you're going to go back into the, you did this now, but then you're just going to do it twice, but with both hands, okay? Rather than just one hand, okay? And now, then you go back into the same. And then we're going to the most popular bit, which is that. We've got A, G, A, G, F, E, D, C sharp, D, E, F, D, G, F sharp, G, F, E, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, G, F, E, and then you repeat that twice, actually 3 times, and then for the left hand you've got 4 chords, or you can use octaves or notes. So we've got D, F, A, F, I, D, and then we've got G, B flat, D, A, C sharp, E, or you can have D, F, G, A, or like that, okay? So, we'll put both hands together, it'll be D, and A, D and F, and then G, F sharp G and G, C sharp and A, and repeat that 3 times. And now we're going to go into a slightly higher octave. So you're going to go the same notes, but just higher, okay? Repeat that 3 times again. I did it 4 times. And then for the right bottom hand part, we've got D's just played again. Or you can just play single A. So I like playing it, and then you're going to play. Just like that, okay? Of course, like I said earlier, you can keep repeating it or improvising it however you want, and you can always just go back to that, just like that, okay? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please press like if you enjoyed, and hit the comments if you want me to